Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in the NOKIA G22. So in the first step we have to move the camera up, then tap on this icon and go to the settings. Now tap on the watermark, and there we have a few options to edit. We can add a personal message, just type it and click on the OK. There we have a preview of your watermark. Now you can choose the style of it, design of your watermark, like this one. You can add also a personalized image, like this one. You can switch it off, of course, and you can manage the live preview. Here's a preview on the camera when you're taking the photo. Sorry, I think I have to switch it on. Okay, we have to enable information, personal message. And there we have a preview. You can take the photo and the personalized watermark should appear in the left corner. This is our one. I'm not sure why this watermark doesn't change, but never mind. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.